Hello children, let's begin with the topic of the types of vegetation from the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. See, India is divided into various type of vegetation. That is your tropical evergreen, thorn forest, montane forest, mangrove forest and tropical deciduous forest. So let's explain you the tropical evergreen forest. These forests are also called as tropical rainforest. Now I'll let you know that why they are called as tropical evergreen forest or why they are called as tropical rainforest. They are called as tropical evergreen forest because they remain green throughout the year. So that's why they are called as the tropical evergreen forest. The shedding of the leaves is continuous, shedding and growing of the leaves is continuous throughout the year. That's why they do not appear dry at any time of the year. That's why they are called as the evergreen forest, because they are basically found in the areas where the heavy rainfall is there. That's why they are called as the rainforest. Wherever the heavy rainfall, that is till 400 centimeter, 200 to 400 centimeter is found, there these forests are found. In the area of the above rainfall 200 centimeter. Their height is 60 meter and above. Trees, shrubs, creepers are found in this region. That is, they are like this. That is, they appear like the overlapping of the trees. They appear like this. If we view these forests from above, they look like the umbrella-like structure. And even the sun rays don't penetrate into the ground. These are so thick, so dense forests, the sun rays can't pass through these forests. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood are the variety of the trees that are found in these forests. They are basically found in the parts of the Western Ghats, Odisha, plains of the West Bengal and in the northeastern states. These forests are basically found in these parts because these areas receive the heavy rainfall. As you have already done, you have know how the rainfall is caused in India. You have already done in the chapter 4, that is your climate. Next is tropical deciduous forest. They are basically divided into two parts, that is the moist deciduous and dry deciduous. They are found in the area of the rainfall, that is 270 centimeter. Moist deciduous receive rainfall up to 200 centimeter. Dry deciduous receive rainfall up to 70 centimeter. These trees shed their leaves about 6 to 8 weeks. But the shedding of the tree species is not same at every time. Therefore, different trees shed their leaves at different season. Okay, some shed their leaves during the autumn, some during the rainy season, some during the spring also. Their shedding of the leaves of the trees of the deciduous forest is different at different intervals. So, and the time period is also different. So that's why it does not appear dry throughout the year. Some trees remain green, some trees remain dry. Bamboo, sal, shisham, teak, sandalwood, kher are the varieties of the trees that are found in the tropical deciduous forest. These tropical evergreen forests, they are hardwood trees. These tropical deciduous forests, they are softwood trees, but not very. So both the kind of trees are found in this hardwood also and the softwood also. These are found in the areas of that is in the states of the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, as well as Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, few parts of Maharashtra, and that is your Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. So these areas, these states have the tropical deciduous forest.